In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, launch Settings and scroll to click on this section here, called Google. Now select All Services. Scroll again and click on Autofill with Google over here. Select Google Password Manager and click on any password you wanna edit. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. Make sure to save your changes by tapping on Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!